All right, so yeah, just finished swapping out the old fuses with some new ones. One thing I would say, they're a little bit more snug than the old ones, so that kind of gives me a little bit of hope. Again, like as you can see right here, that was already like that burnt spot. I can see the limitations of this setup, but you know it is what it is. The next step, I might try to change some relays. I know I did had a bad relay before. That's why the windows wasn't working, and I swapped that out with the one that was in the car, and boom, they started to work. Well, yeah, that's for now. Like, I'm not gonna get too crazy today. Try to keep it light. You know what I mean? Maybe next time I come here, maybe have like a set game plan outside of the cleaning the car. Because as you can see, look at this, man. This thing look filthy. Like, I really was just rocking with it like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm really gonna try to dress it up nicely. Really try to clean it up. Do what I gotta do. Make the car look pretty. I want to try to hit these two. I should have did them when I had the car apart, and I did you know, the grills. Cause I painted the grills for the lights and all that. I still think I still got some more trim blacks. I might do that again too. Make sure those are cleaned up nicely. All these little spots here, all these little rusted things. I might hit those some coat of paint or something like that. Just to kind of make the engine bay look sharper, as well as prevent any corrosion. Like I said earlier before, this is really disappointing seeing that. Even though it's surface rust, it still kind of make me mad. I mean, this paint right here is holding up. I painted these joints, the valve cover, the actual engine I painted. Um, so yeah, I mean, you can't really see it, but it's black and silver. Kind of look dope. All the stuff that I kind of touched, it was good. So I'm gonna really try to clean it up nicely, make it look good. We'll see. I'm really looking forward to that. Like I said, every little step I take, I feel more and more happier with the progress I'm making with the car. And hopefully, like I said, eventually I'll be able to really show out with it. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Real quick, if y'all know anything, I was talking to somebody on Facebook Marketplace. He had a center door lock right here for an E30, and he was going to sell it to me. I just was kind of hesitant, and I was asking him a lot of questions. So I don't know if he got annoyed about that, because the person I bought this car from, he had one, and he gave it to me when I bought it, but he had it for a different car, and it wasn't the proper locking mechanism for this particular car, so it was kind of a waste of money. And I didn't want to buy this piece from him, even though it was kind of cheap. I didn't want to spend the bread, have him send it to me, and then when I try to connect it, it don't work. So I don't know. I still waiting to hear back from him and try to see if I can get it done. But yeah, I know anything about that with that door lock. I have a center door lock, and I know obviously you might need a key, and he didn't have a key, and XYZ. I didn't really necessarily care too much because I can lock the car from the trunk. If anything, worst case scenario, if I do put an alarm system on the car, I can have it where I have a button to unlock it. So I wasn't really tripping. But if you guys have any other places where I can get it, let me know outside of the internet, because I'm not trying to pay like the bread they asking for.